Good morning, good morning, good morning, you lovely lot. It's Saturday morning and it's 9:30. We have our first U-Talk booking at 10. So due to the fact we have a storm coming and Storm Anton, I think it's called. I don't think we're going to get too affected, but I do think we're going to get wet. So I'm going to make up the stables so there's a nice dry, cozy, comfy spot for people to come and hang out in. We've also got our U-Hub. We've got 3 jobs, 2 this morning, 1 a bit later, and I'm going to tend to spend the day up here, I think, because I have various jobs. I was going to creosote fencing, but can't do that in the rain. So I'm going to start making well, I think Emma's already made a start on the adult hub, but I'm going to go in there and see what I can do. I think there's some walls that need painting and things like that to make it nice and cozy. So first job is to go and put some straw in the stables. Two very successful sessions this morning and the rain did hold off, but we've got another one in half an hour and the weather has arrived. So I'm going to sweep up this mess here. Emma's in the storeroom, she's been up this morning as well. We're just doing a bit of sorting out in there and we've got another session coming, so we'll get that one done and then I'll finish tidying up this end and getting through bits that need to be done that we just haven't got round to doing yet.
Just like that. Hang on a minute, guys. I need to come back a little bit. So do you think we could go? Ready? Boys, you ready? Go! Yay! Ah! Come on, Jesus! Can you see it?
Whoa! That got me, that one. Oh, Farrell, are you on an island?
I'm trying to get Josh into a specialist setting and Jamie, I'm looking at public school for him.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, and we think it could get any worse.
That's just ridiculous. That is ridiculous.
I mean, we did have an awe. It's still warm though.
It is still warm. It got very cold though before all this came down. Shall we try and brush it off the end?
Yeah, do a quick one.
Yeah.
Get divorced.
Yeah. Be in trouble.
I haven't been called off, but it's between the voice.
Yep, it's all in my shoes.
I'll get out the way if I do. Ew, I've actually got the flowers in the car. Actually, I thought to duck.
Yeah, my shoes are beyond it. I think it's slightly. These are going in the washing machine. filled with stinky swamp water, so they are going to end up going in the washing machine. I've managed to get most of the flood brushed off up the end. I'm going to take some hay over, no, straw, put it in the BT box over there as a shelter. And now the sun's come out and I think we're going to be all right. That should have been it now. So I'm going to take the sheep over there and put some straw in that shelter, and then that way they've got the option, haven't they, of getting in the dry. And that's what happens to my hair when I get rained on. It just goes like this. And then I need to do a bit of tidying up. I need to sweep out what is going to be the adult stable, get rid of the muck in there, was the peacock stable, and clear up all of this. We've got rising damp on there, so that's going to need to go in the wash again. Oh well. Right, sheep, are we ready to go across? I think they're ready. They've had enough of being over here. I've given that a sweep out, put some bedding in there for them, just in case the weather turns again. Oh, look, the sun's out now and I'm absolutely sweating and roasting. I desperately need to go and sort this out and this out. My trousers are sticking to me. It's most unpleasant. Ugh.